You can say with a straight face, you may not die. That's not science fiction. That's what longevity researchers are claiming right now. We're at a unique moment in human history where death might become optional, and 120 could become the new 80. 8 revolutionary technologies are converging to make radical human longevity not just possible, but inevitable. CRISPR just received FDA approval to cure genetic diseases. Nanobots worth $350 billion are being deployed in your bloodstream, and AI is predicting your death decades before it happens. But here's the question that's terrifying governments worldwide. Who gets to be immortal? Let's start with the most mind-blowing breakthrough. CRISPR gene editing just achieved something that seemed impossible. In December 2023, the FDA approved exagamblogene autotemcel, the first CRISPR treatment that completely cures sickle cell anemia by editing patients' DNA with pinpoint accuracy. But here's what's really revolutionary. Scientists aren't stopping at curing diseases. They're now targeting the genes responsible for aging itself. They're enhancing DNA repair mechanisms, extending telomeres that control cellular aging, and boosting immune system function at the genetic level. Think about this. We could literally edit out the biological programs that cause us to age and die. My analysis? This isn't just medical treatment, it's human evolution in real time. We're becoming the first species to take control of our own genetic destiny. The implications are staggering. If we can edit aging out of our genes, traditional concepts of human lifespan become meaningless. But genetic editing is just the beginning. Nanotechnology is creating microscopic robots that work inside your body right now. The nanomedicine market hit $350 billion in 2022. And these aren't just delivering drugs, they're performing molecular surgery. Future nanobots will clean arterial plaques to prevent heart disease, repair damaged tissues at the cellular level, and fight infections before your immune system even detects them. Imagine having tiny robots constantly maintaining your body like a perfectly tuned machine. Meanwhile, regenerative medicine is making organ failure obsolete. Scientists have successfully grown kidney organoids and bioengineered human tracheas that are functioning in patients right now. They're not just replacing organs, they're growing new ones from your own stem cells, eliminating rejection issues entirely. Here's my insight. We're essentially becoming biological cyborgs, not with metal implants, but with engineered biology that's better than what nature gave us. This isn't enhancement, it's complete biological redesign. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing longevity in ways that seem like magic. DeepMind's AlphaFold accurately predicted protein structures, fundamentally changing how we understand diseases and develop treatments. AI is now detecting cancers with over 90% accuracy, better than most human doctors. But here's the game changer. AI analyzes your medical history, genetics, and lifestyle to predict disease risks decades before symptoms appear. Global healthcare AI investments are projected to surpass $187 billion by 2030, and this money is buying us predictive medicine that prevents aging rather than just treating it. Wearable technology is becoming the monitoring system for your extended life. Apple Watches already detect irregular heart rhythms and save lives daily. By 2025, wearables will detect cancer biomarkers, monitor immune system health, and identify early signs of neurodegenerative diseases through your sweat, breath, and heart rate patterns. My analysis? We're moving from reactive healthcare that treats diseases to predictive healthcare that prevents aging. AI isn't just extending life, it's optimizing the quality of those extended years. Now let's talk about the most sci-fi technology that's becoming reality: brain-computer interfaces. Neuralink received FDA approval for human trials in 2023, initially targeting paralysis and neurological disorders, but the long-term vision is absolutely mind-blowing. These brain chips will restore lost functions, enhance memory, and prevent cognitive decline associated with aging. Imagine uploading knowledge directly to your brain or backing up your memories to prevent dementia. We're talking about treating Alzheimer's and Parkinson's not with drugs, by directly interfacing with your neural circuits. Here's what most people don't realize. Cognitive decline is often what makes extended life meaningless. What good is living to 150 if you lose your memories and personality? Brain-computer interfaces solve this by maintaining cognitive function indefinitely. My insight? This technology represents the final frontier of human enhancement. We're not just extending biological life, we're preserving the consciousness and identity that makes life worth living.
If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Biotechnology is achieving the impossible. In late 2022, doctors successfully transfused the first lab-grown red blood cells into humans. But the real breakthrough is biological reprogramming using Yamanaka factors to reset cells to a more youthful state, literally reversing the aging process at the cellular level. Think about this. Scientists can now take your old, damaged cells and reset them to behave like young cells again. This isn't just slowing aging, it's reversing it. Telemedicine exploded from an $87 billion market in 2022 to projected massive growth, enhanced by integration with wearable devices for real-time monitoring of chronic conditions. This means your extended life will be continuously monitored and optimized by AI systems that know your body better than you do. My analysis? We're creating a closed-loop system where biotechnology reverses aging, AI predicts problems, and telemedicine delivers solutions instantly. It's like having a personal medical team working 24/7 to keep you young. But here's where this gets absolutely terrifying. Who gets access to immortality? The World Economic Forum warned in 2023 that these technologies could create the ultimate inequality, not just rich versus poor, but mortal versus immortal. Will life extension be limited to the wealthy while everyone else ages and dies? Imagine a world where billionaires live forever while working-class people have normal lifespans. This isn't just economic inequality, it's biological apartheid. Then there's the overpopulation crisis. If people stop dying, how do we manage resources like food, housing, and healthcare? And psychologically, would people feel fulfilled living an extra 50, 70 years? Or could it lead to societal stagnation? My analysis? These technologies will create the greatest social upheaval in human history. The economic, political, and social systems we've built assume people die around 80. If people start living to 150 or longer, everything changes. Career structures, social security, family dynamics, even democracy itself. The future of human longevity is no longer a distant dream. It's happening right now. These 8 technologies aren't just extending life, they're redefining what it means to be human. We're approaching a world where aging becomes a choice, death becomes optional, and 120 truly becomes the new 80. But the fundamental question isn't whether we can push human life beyond 100 years. We absolutely can. The question is whether we can navigate the profound implications of such a monumental shift without destroying the society we're trying to preserve. Are you ready for a world where death is optional, but immortality might not be equally distributed? How do you think society should handle the transition to radical human longevity? And most importantly, do you want to live forever? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, because this decision might be closer than you think.